opening a new stall today, everyone.
Sounds exciting. Any free samples?
Why are a few baskets of corn missing?
Someone must have been secretly snacking.
Hey, Piggy, where did all this corn come from?
I guess the wind blew it here.
These footprints are tiny, so it's definitely not Piggy.
So it was. Chick?
Chick, this corn is for sale.
But I need a fortress to play with.
Let's make it a small one, okay? Not bigger than my truck.
A happy farm is when everyone has a place to play.
Remember to turn right at the banyan tree.
I remember, which tree is the banyan tree again?
All right, let me clear the way. Easy now, don't scare them.
Who wants grilled corn? Delicious and crispy here.
Free smiles included.
Oh dear, why are my hands so shiny?
Free hand moisturizer, ma'am.
Oh no, all our earnings flew away.
I'm sorry, it was the corn dust.
Today was really fun, even if a little messy.
A little messy, but full of smiles.
Look, everyone. Isn't it beautiful?
Fantastic, small but mighty. Today's corn mission is complete. And we got a fortress too.
What shall we do tomorrow?
Maybe Operation Carrot?
New goal, crispy dried corn to sell at the fair.
Smells delicious already.
My grandpa used this machine.
Good. Classic means durable.
Is it drying or smoking?
Maybe the machine misses its old job.
Let me help. I'm small, but I'm mighty.
Well done, Golden Wind Squad.
Hey, be careful, the fire's too big.
No worries. I'm an expert at deep frying. The corn is really crispy, but it's a bit burnt.
Burnt black is the new color. If wind dries clothes, it surely can dry corn.
That's science. Hey, the corn can fly!
This technology is a bit beyond our control. Water-bathed corn must be softer and tastier.
I found corn that can climb trees.
This is Monkey Tech 1.0.
Does it come with a warranty?
So fragrant. My stomach is rumbling.
Wait a bit, let's taste test first.
Excellent. Crunchy like a dream.
So, it's a success. That name sounds delicious.
Let's add a slogan. Eat it, remember it forever.
See, Monkey Tech 1.0 is useful.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't burn again.
Reward for the crispy team.
Thank you, smallest chef on the farm.
This year we must win.
As long as there's a taste test, I'm ready. I am last year's champion, yes, Mr. Perfect Corn.
That name already makes me want to eat it. Monkey Tech 2.0, yeah, no smoke, no burn.
Just don't let it explode.
You guys are doing it by hand? I'm using an automatic machine.
We believe in wind power and friendship.
Start the competition. Whoever has the best dish wins. Time to battle. I'll handle the seasoning. Too much smoke.
It's okay, smoke is the flavor of victory.
Fast, clean, fragrant, victory is certain.
But it seems that machine is shaking violently.
Corn rain! Save the food quickly!
Keep the kitchen safe. The more urgent, the more delicious. Simple but heartwarming, huh? The taste of a smile. The Monkey Farmer's corn, crispy, fragrant, and fun. No way! This is the victory of our happy farm. And of my belly, too.
You guys deserve the win. Thanks. See you next year for the rematch.
Today was the most fun day ever.
I'm happy because I don't have to fix the machine.
Our corn journey isn't over yet. Yeah, tomorrow let's try making popcorn. We're gonna make the best popcorn in the region. And I'll be the one to try it first. Do we need all this?
The more.
Evenly it pops.
It looks like a corn robot.
This robot pops without breaking anything. 3, 2, 1. Does anyone have corn insurance?
It smells so good. That's the smell of victory. Such a beautiful explosion.
Wonderful. A food rain.
The whole sky is white.
Now who's gonna clean this up?
This time it will be crispy and tidy.
As long as it doesn't explode in my face.
It's a success.
Science and patience always win.
So sweet and happy.
This dish will surely win at the upcoming fair. My truck now smells entirely of corn.
At least it smells better than the burnt batch for yesterday.
Oh, look! Popcorn is flying away.
That's free advertising.
Each bag comes with an extra smile.
And a little stickiness. It was a brilliant success.
Yeah, but tomorrow let's try a savory flavor. Popcorn again, the joy of the farm.
And the beginning of our next mission.
It's time for the farm to have its own brand.
A brand we can drink.
The recipe is simple.
Simple, but I'll add a little secret. What is that? Strength-boosting corn leaf extract. I read about it in the newspaper.
It smells really good.
Add more sugar. It's only fun when it's sweet. Oops.
A bit too strong of a reaction.
A bit strong. It's dancing. So much fun.
Is this milk or sea foam?
Rich and fragrant. So the recipe is a success. This recipe has side effects.
Maybe too much corn leaf extract.
Rainbow milk here. Anyone want a taste? No, I'm colorful enough.
Version 2.0. No corn leaf extract.
And add a pot lid. Let's try again, slow and steady.
I volunteer to try. Again.
Excellent. This time there's only one color. The color of delicious. A brilliant success. That's a good name. I thought of adding doesn't cause sneezes. See, monkey technology always works.
This time it truly is smooth as milk.
What should we do tomorrow?
Perhaps Mission Baked Corn Cake.
Today we will conquer the world with corn cakes.
If the world is delicious, I'm right there with you.
I'll take care of stirring the batter.
And I'll take care of licking the spoon. This oven once baked 100 banana cakes. Hope it doesn't bake us too.
Piggy, a little lighter. It's okay, more is more love.
Science plus passion, Heinz perfect cake.
And plus the aroma, hey heaven! It's about to explode!
It's okay, just a thermal reaction.
Delicious.
Agreed, perfect landing. The first version was a bit explosive. but the taste is absolutely spot on.
Remember to reduce the flour.
And increase the faith.
Oh my God, that's the smell of happiness. Copyright that smell.
The recipe is perfect.
Let's call this the Smiling Cornbread.
Buy one, get one free. Whoever smiles brightest gets an extra bread.
I guess I'll get 3.
Smiles are the main ingredient.
And friendship is the final seasoning. I think our farm is about to become famous.
Yes, famous and fragrant.
Tomorrow, what should we make?
Perhaps the cheese popcorn mission. The last dish of the year, it has to be grand.
And really rich, too.
Watch out! The cheese is getting too thick.
The thicker, the better. Golden rule.
Smells like heaven. It hasn't even popped yet.
The cheese rain is coming!
Quick! Grab the pans to catch it!
So delicious, I volunteer to be the quality inspector.
All right. I'll dub you Golden Taster Chick.
Today we celebrate a year of hard work.
And boundless joy!
Every dish is made from our hearts and corn.
And my belly, too.
This time I'm just catching, not causing an explosion. Just catching is fun, my friend Fox. We did it. The farm is truly happy.
Because everyone contributed a kernel of corn to this joy. Next year, will we have new tasks?
Certainly. Fresh corn juice mission awaits.